doing a nature walk. So come with me, and yeah. As you can see here, we have some fresh mud. It's been here for probably millions of years. Oh yeah, that's some good mud. Here at Lake Louisville, it's a pretty nice day, as you can see. Only thing that we have here is dead trees and depression, though.
It's getting hot in here.
Well, you see, this is a tree, and it grew sideways. You impressed?
A visionary, vision is scary. It's not a revolution. Blue man waves a rebel.
Alright, well, you know, when there's a lot of rain and stuff, the water flows through here and it goes up against the ground, which is why there's like a big bowl area right there. It's because the water keeps hitting all the dirt, knocking all the dirt loose, and then the dirt gets loose, and then it just goes with the water. So then you get like a big cereal bowl kind of shindig going. Say something educational.
Dirt is bad. Oceans.
Come on, Andrew, let's go in the water, Andrew.
No!
Oh, time to go down the sidewalk.
Oh my god, dude.
It's a snake.
That's not a snake.
It's a root.
That's definitely a root. Definitely a root.
She didn't look at me. The reason animals aren't being actively shown in Andrew's video is because, well, you know, it's because they're more scared of us than we are of them.
We are talking about deforestation. As you can see, it's affected us greatly in this area. See that? That's the only tree we have here. Everything else is dead.
Andrew's going out to a real dangerous territory. Hi, Sam. If you're watching this, I just wanted to say hi. I miss you. See, nature always prevails. I mean, look at this trail. Look at this trail with the grass on it.
I don't like it.
No matter how much people walk on it, nature comes back. Oh, I found wildlife. There it is.
Here we go. Whoa, 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 whoa.